Hello students, this is Preeti Ghosh and you're watching my YouTube channel which is all about lifestyle and education. And you can now follow me and my personal blogs along with few exclusive videos only on my Facebook page. The link is given in the description box. So let us start with today's video. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter 3, reproduction in animals. Let us first find out what is reproduction. Reproduction क्या है? Reproduction is a process by which living organism produce another one of their own kind. Reproduction उस process को कहते हैं जिस process से living organisms अपने जैसा किसी और को तैयार करता है, किसी और को पैदा करता है. ठीक है. So now, what are the ways by which animals reproduce? There are two ways. First one is by laying eggs, like you can say in case of hen. Another way is by giving birth to the young ones. Here you can see an elephant with its baby elephant. Okay. Now let us discuss about animals that lay eggs. वो animals जो अंडे देते हैं. ठीक है. कौन कौन से ऐसे animals हैं? Animals like birds, fish, frogs, reptiles, insects reproduce by laying eggs. So you know about birds, fish, frogs. Reptile is a word that is not familiar to you. So reptiles किसे कहते हैं? वैसे animals जो crawl करते हैं. ठीक है? Means those who do not walk, they actually slithers. Okay. So now let us first find out the structure of egg. Here you can see the structure of egg. So क्या होता है? egg का एक outer shell होता है जिसे egg shell कहते हैं. And now this egg shell is hard protective outer covering. Now moving on to the white part, right? उस white part को क्या कहते हैं? Egg white or albumin, that is called albumin. Now this albumin is rich in protein. इसमें बहुत मात्रा में प्रोटीन रहता है. ठीक है. Next is yolk. ठीक है. Here you can see yolk, which is the yellowish part here. This yellowish part is called yolk. Now this yolk is rich in vitamins and minerals. ठीक है. इस येलो पार्ट में क्या आता है? बहुत मात्रा में विटामिन और मिनरल्स मिलता है. ठीक है. Now there is one more point about this yolk. What is it? The chick forms and grows inside the yolk. In case of hen, where does the chick grows and forms? It grows and forms inside the yolk, and the growing chick is called embryo. Egg में जब उसका बेबी बढ़ रहा होता है तो उसको कहते हैं, yolk में जब उसका बेबी बढ़ रहा होता है तो उसको कहते हैं embryo. ठीक है. So this was all about the structure of an egg. So there are 3 parts of egg, which is eggshell, then yolk, and the third one is albumin. Clear? First, let us see the reproduction in birds. So birds क्या करते हैं? They reproduce by laying eggs. वो अंडे देते हैं. Then they lay eggs in nest and sit on them to keep them warm. The egg hatch and the baby birds come out. They are of the same kind as the parent. तो क्या होता है? वो अब अंडे देते हैं और उन अंडों के ऊपर बैठे रहते हैं जिससे कि वो अंडे गर्म रहें. ठीक है. उसके बाद उन अंडों से वो बेबी बर्ड्स बाहर निकलती हैं और ये बेबी बर्ड्स अपने पेरेंट्स की तरह होते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस लुक द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ चिकन. ठीक है. दैट इज hen. सो फर्स्ट there is an adult hen. ठीक है. From there you can see they lays eggs. After that mother hen warming the egg. After that, the growing chick is called embryo. We just read about that. After that, chick hatches out. वो जो bird होता है, chick होता है, वो अंडे से बाहर निकलता है और वो grow करता है. Then comes the growing chick and then it transforms into again a adult hen. So this whole is the life cycle of chick or a hen. Clear? Moving on to life cycle of fish. As you can see, fish क्या करते हैं? They lay eggs, thousands of eggs at a time. ठीक है, अब इनके एग में जैसा एक हार्ड कवरिंग था वो कवरिंग नहीं होता. In fish do not have shells. That was in case of previous one. That is in case of hen that we saw. They do not have any hard shell, but they are surrounded by a kind of jelly. As you can see here, there is a kind of jelly that surrounds that egg. Okay, so this is the life cycle of fish. Now moving on to frogs. अब frogs क्या होता है? They spend a lot of time on land. ठीक है, but वो अंडे कहाँ देते हैं? They lay egg in water, but they lay their egg in water. So let us see the life cycle of a frog. अब you can see that there is an adult frog that lays the eggs. Now the cluster of the frog, the egg cluster of the frog is called swarm. ठीक है, so these are the eggs. Now they are growing, so these are the embryo. Now this will develop into a tadpole. Here you can see the tadpole. Now after that there will be the changes in their bodies. That is, first their legs will appear with the tail. After that the tadpole will appear with 4 legs and this tail will become shorter with time. Now as the frog will turn into a young frog, the tail will get shorter and shorter, and finally the tail will get disappear and the legs will form properly and the frog will turn into a adult frog. ठीक है, सो पहले क्या होता है? एग्स आते हैं, देन वो एम्ब्रियो में चेंज होता है, देन दे विल चेंज इनटू टैडपोल्स. अब टैडपोल्स में कुछ कुछ चेंजेस होती हैं. क्या चेंजेस होते हैं? फर्स्ट 2 लेग अपीयर करती हैं एंड एक टेल अपीयर होता है, पूंछ अपीयर होती है. आफ्टर दैट पीछे के लेग्स अपीयर होना शुरू होते हैं एंड उनके जो टेल होता है, उनकी जो पूंछ होती है वो छोटी होने लगती है. जब वो टैडपॉल एक यंग फ्रॉग में ट्रांसफ़र होता है तो उनकी पूंछ पूरी तरह से छोटी हो जाती है एंड जब वो एक यंग फ्रॉग से एक एडल्ट फ्रॉग में ट्रांसफ़र होता है तो उनकी पूंछ पूरी तरीके से गायब हो जाती है एंड देयर बैक लेग्स विल गेट फॉर्म प्रॉपरली. उनके बैक लेग्स बहुत अच्छी तरह से फॉर्म हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट इज दिस होल प्रोसेस नोन एज? इस पूरे प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं? द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रोइंग इनटू एन एडल्ट फ्रॉग फ्रॉम टैडपोल इज कॉल्ड मेटामॉर्फोसिस. I repeat the definition. The process of growing into an adult frog from tadpole is called metamorphosis. Clear? So this was the life cycle of a frog. So students, that's all for today's video. In our next video, that is part 2 of this chapter, we will discuss more about this chapter, about more animals that lay eggs and those animals which give birth to their young ones. And if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the part 2 of this video, you get notified. So stay tuned and thank you.